create custom workbenches, and reel holders can be combined with horizontal table cutters, as in this case according to customer needs, ideal to be inserted in assembly and packaging lines. The length can be approximately from 50 centimeters to 2.5 meters, and with any width required. The benches can be equipped with single or double drawers with sliding rails of rear side rails, and underlay. Standard models are equipped with adjustable rubber feet, but on request, you can add the wheels complete with brake. The reel holder is available in various sizes, depending on the need. Is formed by a metal supporting structure, on which 2 or more idle rollers are installed in order to facilitate the unwinding of the reel. The standard roll holder with a capacity of 100 kilograms, but on request, it is possible to have it with capacities increased up to 500 kilograms. The matching cutters are of horizontal type, are suitable for cutting paper, corrugated cardboard, reinforced and polyethylene papers, polyethylene leaf, bubbles, or expanded. Useful widths of cutters can be 1014-1620 or 25 centimeters accordingly. The table is usually made with widths suitable to contain the cutter, and with a depth of 80 centimeters. For a specific quote or for more information, please contact us by writing an email or calling